The Lakers and LeBron James taking on the Spurs again. We'll start with LeBron. Where else would we start? Throws the alley-oop to Anthony Davis for the dunk. Candace, should we get used to seeing this on the highlight reel?
1,000%. AD to LeBron, LeBron to AD. But listen, Allie, this is his first game as a 36-year-old. His NBA career is legal. 18 years. Unbelievable he's still at this level.
I mean, yeah, 36 doesn't seem old when you watch LeBron play, even though in NBA years it certainly is. Pulls up, hits the three. As you know, he does it all, throwing another alley-oop to Anthony Davis for the slam. Then he drives for the layup, gets the foul. So there's nothing LeBron James can't do. I mean, even here when he gets the backdoor pass and misses the dunk, he gets up in a breakdancing format because there's nothing he can do.
Yeah, I see the volleyball roll, break dancing, whatever you want to call it, gets up and hustles back.
KCP drives to the basket, and it was unfortunate because on that play he twisted his left ankle. He suffered a sprained left ankle and did not return to this game.
Yeah, it's a tough break for him. He's been playing extremely well, shooting the ball very well, so the Lakers definitely want to hurry up and get him back.
Anthony Davis hits the three. He had 34 points tonight with 11 rebounds and 5 assists. 34, by the way, is a season high for him. DeMar DeRozan pulls up and hits the jumper. He had 3 made threes tonight. He only had 9 made threes all of last season. Candace, do you like to see him taking more threes?
I love him taking more threes. I would like still to see him around the basket because there's nobody in the league that can guard him when he's, in the paint.
No, that's a great point. There's no one that can guard that guy either. Finished with a triple-double. Your final was Lakers 109, San Antonio 103. Let's hear from the King post-game.
Well, I mean, for us, we want to play the right way, both offensively and defensively. And we're getting better and better every game. We do a great job of watching film and being able to take our film sessions and approach it to the game situation. So that's what we want to do. We come out and we want to, have a defensive mindset to make teams score over us, not put them to the free throw line, try to turn them over, but be solid. And then offensively move the ball, share the ball, play with pace, and get great shots. And if we can do that, we're going to be in a lot of games this year.
Shoutout time sa ating mga sulit na mga kapatid. Maraming salamat. Wapong Shorty channel, Takurag's TV, Aling di Davao, Waterland Films, 13 Oculars Vlog, Balindong, Manay Tinang, GC Vlog, MyraChannel, Kusina Expert. Maraming salamat. God bless.